Welcome to my channel. Today in Shilard's Cuisine, we are going to do the potato samosa in air fryer. So it's oil free, just little oil spray, but extremely healthy samosa because we will be doing that in atta, the whole grain atta, and potato stuffing. You can replace the potato stuffing with say spinach and cheese stuffing or chicken stuffing, keema that we call as. So up to you. Let's go ahead. This is my air fryer. I like to use parchment paper in this. I don't like it to stick through the net. I'm going to do a very light oil spray, and then I'm going to do nice arrangement of my samosas. Okay, here you go. We are going to start it. My setting is at 355 and I'm going to do it for about 50 minutes. Oh, they are nice and crunchy. Let's arrange them. Wow, they are nice and hard. Obviously they are healthy because they are not deep fried. In air fryer we have just used the cooking oil spray, and also the covering is of whole grain atta. So here you go. Let's try it out. So yummy. Thanks for visiting my channel and enjoy the samosa recipe in air fryer. Thanks, bye.